Important skills to learn in 2026. You're going to be able to create your own agentic workflow by hitting create. You're then going to be able to create an agent and select your model. You're going to be able to add MCP tools. You're going to be able to add your own custom widget, which will allow you to create a little chat interface for you to interact with this AI agent. You're going to be able to add guardrails, which is basically what your agent can or cannot do. The tool is going to be a lot like N8N and Zapier, in the sense that there's some sort of trigger and you can interact with some sort of agent with tools, rules, and guardrails, and then there can be additional steps, as many of them as you want. And then you're also going to be able to vibe code apps. So you can use Lovable, right, to vibe code a front-end site, and then you can connect this entire agentic workflow to your app. Or you can use vibe code, which is basically the Lovable for mobile apps, and you can do the same exact thing.